This is a video tutorial on how to make the Happy Days sewing wallet. It's a lovely starter project this is, and you'll get to learn lots of new skills, and it'll be really useful for safety pins, for your needles and your pins. And this is how we make it. Place your two fabrics right sides together. I've already ironed fusible interfacing fleece on the back, and then clip all the way around, remembering to leave a gap at the bottom. I've clipped all the way around, holding all the layers together, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and starting here, I'm going to start there and I'm going to stop, along here and stop, across the top and stop, back down the other side and stop, and along the bottom and stop, and I'm leaving a gap for turning. I've sewn all the way around using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I've snipped the 4 corners, and now I'm going to turn it the right way through the gap I left at the bottom. I've turned it the right way by pulling through the gap, and I've tucked the raw edges in and I've pressed it. And now need to find the centre. And to find the centre, simply fold in half, and you can either finger press or you can take it over to the iron and form a nice sharp crease. I've folded it and I've pressed it, and it gives me a nice centre line. Now take your 2 felt pieces, and it's probably best not to iron felt, so just fold in half to find the centre as we did before. Line up the tops and the sides, and a nice sharp finger press there to get the centre, and do the same for the other one. Place your felt now on top and use the crease that you've formed on both pieces and on the back, and make sure that all lines up nicely so you'll have the same size that side as that side. I popped a few pins in just to keep everything in place, and now I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to start there and sew all down that centre line. I've sewn all along the centre, and all that's left now is to carefully top stitch all the way around, and that will then seal up the gap we left for turning. I've top stitched all the way around the edge, and I popped some pins in and a safety pin, and that's your Happy Days sewing wallet all finished.